guys, welcome to or back to my channel. It is like 6:30 right now. No, 7 o'clock. It's not bright outside, but it's definitely lighter than it was. And I've just got home from work and I want to film a video that I wanted to film this morning. So I had all intention of waking up at my normal sort of 5 to 10 to 6 time, get myself ready and then film this video for you this morning. But I had a really weird dream where I was cheating on Pete with Keanu Reeves and I woke up feeling really weird about it, and then I snoozed my alarm and went back to sleep and gave Pete a cuddle and never ended up getting around to filming this video this morning. And I feel so excited that I can film it after work. Like, I don't know, I hope the lighting in the viewfinder looks totally fine, so fingers crossed we're liking the lighting. So after that ramble of an introduction, today I am filming a come vintage shopping with me. I get so many questions both in my real life and online about like how I find such amazing bargains on Vinted. So I thought today I have liked a whole bunch of stuff on Vinted. I've got about 16 quid in my like vault, I don't know what you'd call it, my account on Vinted. I don't think it's called a vault, that's definitely Revolut. To play with, to order some stuff, and I'm happy to spend some money. I've favorited a whole bunch of stuff and also have a kind of a few bits in mind that I want to do a bit of a deeper hunt for. So I thought I'd kind of like take you on a vintage shopping journey with me. So I'm really hoping that this doesn't show any of my details. We'll have to, in editing, check it doesn't. But here is my Vinted account. So one thing I will already mention is one thing I love about Vinted, like love and don't love about Vinted, is this recommended for you bit at the top. Gets it so right. Like, I guess because I've bought quite a lot on Vinted, like this skirt, stunning, favourite that. Because I've bought quite a lot on Vinted in my time of being on Vinted, it's just really got down what I like and what I'm looking for. So at the moment I have been favoriting lots of like, that skirt's gorgeous, lots of like midi skirts, midi dresses, lots of like vintage floral prints, lots of linen, and that seems like that is what it's giving me at the moment. That skirt's gorgeous. So once you start shopping on Vinted, you do get a lot of like recommendations. And my second tip, which I'm going to explain to you right now because I've got a good example of it here, is this skirt, for example, is so cute. I love it. It's phase 8 and she's only selling it for £5. So when I find stuff like this where they're selling like a brand that would necessarily sell for more but like an affordable price, I like to go on their page and have a look at what else they're selling, because a lot of the time you'll find, like this one's not a very good example, but a lot of the time, let's go back to that other skirt I favorited, a lot of the time you will find pieces under people who are like the same size as you. Like, she's selling this gorgeous neck skirt for £3. She could definitely get more for this. This is a very like on trend silhouette and like print combo, and she's selling it for, yeah, £3, and she's got 57 5-star reviews, so we love to see it. The other one didn't have any, and she does bundles for 50% off. So this is the kind of account I like to find, and I like to just have a look through and see what else they've got. Like this little not Tui, that's the holiday company, like the Sainsbury's dress, so cute. I love that. And does it come with a little like belt as well? That's so cute. Can be worn with or without the belt. You can even make the belt into a little scarf. We favourite. But yeah, like I like to have a look through. It doesn't necessarily mean they'll have other pieces you like, but like a lot of the time they will. Like this pineapple dress, so cute, but it's a size 8. So she's obviously a variety of sizes or selling for other people. But there'll usually be other pieces. So then I can just go in and see if, when I request a bundle of these two, yeah, £4.50 for those 2 items, which is just ludicrous. Like so good. I'm not like obsessed with this dress, so I'm not going to request the bundle, but yes, it's got my changes, but I am quite obsessed with that skirt, so I'm definitely going to keep that there to look at. So that is my top, one of my, like, I'd say 2 of my biggest top tips. Also, when I'm searching for something on Vinted, so something I'm looking for at the moment is like a like waistcoat, like a women's, this is all the things I've searched, but let me see if I can find a quilted waistcoat. This oh, that's quite cute, this little like boohoo, but it's size 26. I always like have a look and then filter on size, so we've got some options here. I could probably get away with 12 as well, but I kind of want it oversized, so we've got a few options. I always make sure I filter on like a variety of sizes. Like this jacket has been there for ages, I absolutely love it, but I'm not spending, I don't need any more jackets and I'm not spending, I think it was 70 quid, 80 quid, no, not what we're doing. But yeah, I found a really good one through this a while ago, but I think it's sold now. That is a couple of my top tips. Then looking through my favorited items, that's what I thought we could do now and see what I want to buy in there. So a couple of my favorited items have already been sold. So I absolutely love this ASOS dress. Again, selling it for, oh not dress, it's a jumpsuit, isn't it, I think? Yeah, it's a jumpsuit. She was, again, selling it for £3, which is so good. It's absolutely gorgeous, but obviously that's sold. But she had loads of other really nice pieces and she sold them all. She had like loads of really nice stuff on there. So that one's obviously gone, not gonna be able to be bought. I've been looking for these Zara marine, I think they're called marine jeans, in green for ages. Finally found them in my size for 7 quid, so a great price, but they sold before I got around to buying them. I'm also like, oh, that's cute, but a size 8. I also feel like I don't need, I've got like these jeans in like 2 other colours and I just don't, it's unnecessary. Oh, these are the kind of waistcoats I was looking for as well. And then there was, this one too, this like Miss Selfridge one, which someone's actually sent me on Instagram because she thought I would like it and she was totally correct. I didn't end up buying it, but it is honestly so cute. It's obviously sold, but so cute and such a good price. But I am looking for that sort of thing. That one just, the colour palette wasn't doing it for me, I don't think. But I'm also, yeah, looking for a little like vest like these. I don't know what you'd call them, like a waistcoat vest type thing. Again, neither of these price points are really doing it for me, so we're not going to be getting those. But that's what I do. I basically just favourite everything I love and then go back and see if I actually want it. I've also got quite a few of these like sweater vests that I've favourited and then changed my mind about. I just don't, I've already got one that I really love. I don't know if I need to add an additional one into my wardrobe. And then I'm also really loving like little denim play suits. My friend Lorna was wearing one the other day when we went out for one of my friend's birthdays, and I really loved it and now I really want one. So I looked at this white one, but like necks like that don't always look great on me, but I thought that was a really good price for a Topshop one, and so I favorited it. This one I probably do like more. It's just a little Primark one, very cute. And newer tags. I am going to hold off buying something this summery until summer though. And then I also really want a real leather like little jacket. My only problem with buying real leather is that you have to like, you can kind of clean it yourself, but getting it dry cleaned is always like really expensive, so you never quite get that like really strong leather smell out of it. But I found this one which I really liked, which was only 15 quid, which I thought was a really good price. I think it's just like a vintage brand. I don't know what the brand is, she hasn't said, but I really liked it. It's just like, it looks like it would fit really kind of like oversized and nice, but also like cropped enough that it shows off the butt and stuff, my butt. So I really liked that one, so I'm gonna keep it there. I'm not gonna buy it just yet, but I'm gonna keep it. And then I'm not gonna buy this one, but I just wanted to show you how fun this one was. I don't know this brand, but it's like a 100% real leather jacket, gorgeous like 70s 80s I'd say silhouette, and just looks stunning. And for only £20, I think that's an amazing price. So if you want to go and get it and it's still available, that's the name for it. I really want like a full length jumpsuit as well, and I saw this Everlane one and it's 40 quid, but obviously I think that is a good price for Everlane, and I really love it. It's stretchy as well, super soft overall, so I've kept it there. I might put an offer in. I would want to pay about 30 quid for this. I think 40 is pushing it really. Let's just make an offer of 30, see what she says. But I think if she wants to sell it for 40, then I don't think she's going to accept a £30 offer, but I probably would buy this for £30. I absolutely love it. I think it's like exactly what I've been looking for. But there was this option as well from a brand called Urban Bliss, and this one was £15, so that's quite nice as well. I really appreciate a puff sleeve. I just don't know if I like the zip on that as much as I like the buttons on this, so yeah, I'd rather spend a little bit more for something I love. And also Everlane is an already sustainable-ish brand. They use the most sustainable denim factory that you possibly can. So there's also that element that it already comes from like the circular fashion world anyway, which I appreciate. I was then looking at this brand called Kittree, because I really wanted a piece from them. And I found this really gorgeous top that this woman was selling. She also had some amazing like Ganni pieces as well, if I'm correct. She had some really cool pieces actually, just in general, like this gorgeous like whistles number. I love these little knitted bags she's got. Oh, I think I've got these favorited. I loved these little shorts. They are so cute, and that like pop of blue is a great color for this season. And she also had these Another Stories trousers. So I like, again, like looking through someone, if you find one thing you like on their page, it's possible you do have the same style, so always worth checking if there's anything else. I love those trousers as well. Again, I just think this is all too summery for what I'm looking for now, but I also found this Never Fully Dressed jumper. I'm gonna leave those there just in case they don't sell, and maybe she'll reduce the prices. But yeah, I also found this other dress on her page, which is also from Kittree, and it's just stunning. Like I probably would have paid the 30 quid for that. I absolutely love it, but someone got there before me. I'd love to know how much they paid for it, because stunning. Going back to these little beaded bags you may have seen, I am loving these, I think it's called Stowed beaded bags. I'll insert some somewhere on the screen, because oh my god, they're amazing. But I think they're about 200-300 pounds, and I just can't pay that for a bag I'm not gonna use all the time. So obviously headed straight to Vinted to see if I could find anything similar, and the brand I could find the most similar pieces from was Accessorize. So this person is selling theirs for £4 because it's slightly like frayed on the edges here. I don't really want that. I don't want one that's frayed. Like, it's a really great price, but I prefer to pay a bit more for like this one, which is like in lovely condition from what I can see. Oh my god, I'm getting so many notifications. The condition is really good. I just think that bag is absolutely beautiful. So that is like very much up there on the, I'm probably gonna buy that. I might actually see if I should do 15 for it. Should we be cheeky and go for 12? I've done it, I've done. I would pay 15 for it though, I think. So let's see what they say. And then I want like some linen trousers in my wardrobe. So this person said I could have these mango ones, which I'm totally obsessed with, for £2. So we will just be buying those. I think that's gonna show my address. So let's, I'll go back and buy these after not on camera, but I am gonna go and buy those ones. And then I also found this amazing like, what do you call it, like fruit skirt, which I think is really cool. And then another like leather jacket. This one is again a little bit more expensive, but I love the colour and the fit. It looks like the Frankie Shop jacket. It's so cool. Also, I love like obviously the denim skirt look at the moment. I can't tell if this is linen or denim or somewhere in between, but I really like this skirt. I can't tell what fabric it is though, and that's really bothering me about it. Like, what is that? Oh no, it looks like it's like a smart fabric. I don't want it if it's like a smart fabric, so maybe not them. Also, I love these boots, but I just don't get enough wear out of like high-heeled boots. I buy them all the time and I just never wear them. But I think she said I could have them for £7, which is a very good price, so they're definitely on the maybe list. And then I found this girl who was selling her stuff off for really insane prices, and we have very similar styles. So like, she was selling these House of Sunny, like that's her name if you want to have a look. She was selling these House of Sunny gin jeans for £9, which is just crazy. I think I paid about 15 for mine, but 9 is a really good price, and these ones I think sold out quite quickly as well. So that's an amazing price. So I looked on her page and she was selling like loads of like stuff that I liked the look of, and we're obviously the same size, but just really great prices. Like, how cute is this? I don't know what brand Skunk Funk is, but how cute is this dress? I love it. Her pictures are all really like not great, but like I'm fine about that. You get the idea. She's got another House of Sunny pair for £14. I don't really like those ones as much, but yeah, so the prices are really good on her page. I think I've sent her a bundle offer actually. I really liked this as well. I thought this was super fun, and I've just noticed this one, really cute too. Is that like sheer? I can't tell. It's got a little open shoulder. Oh, I like that. That's so cute. I like this one as well. Yeah, she's got loads of stuff I like, so I might have to do a little bit of a bundle moment with her. Because I like a lot of her pieces. But yeah, that was a bit of a come shopping with me on Vinted, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I was thinking for my next video, once all those arrive and I've ordered a couple of other things, I would do a what it looked like on Vinted versus what it looks like on me video. I thought that would be a really cool concept, so just showing you what the pictures look like versus like how I've styled it up. So if that's out, it will be like appearing now for you to go and watch. And if you enjoyed the video, guys, please remember to hit that subscribe button. If you are buying any cute things on Vinted after seeing my recommendations and being inspired, then please do let me know. I'd love to see what you're getting, and I'll catch you in my next video. Fingers crossed every Wednesday and Sunday I will be uploading, but Sunday's my definite one. Always upload on a Sunday. So yeah, hit subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated, and I'll catch you soon. Bye, guys.